Okay, so here's what's happening to your body and your nervous system after a breakup, because it's a lot deeper than just losing the person. When you build a connection with someone, your nervous system doesn't just love them, it bonds with them. Their voice, their smell, the way they look at you, those are the moments that it remembers. They actually become regulation cues for your body. They literally become part of how your system finds safety. So when that connection ends, whether suddenly or slowly, your body isn't just going through this sad moment. It's confused. It's searching for signals that no longer exist. And that's why you might feel that ache in your chest, and knot in your stomach, that obsessive mental loop that just won't stop. It's your body trying to make sense of what's no longer there, the silence. When we attach to someone, our nervous system actually creates pathways. And after a breakup, those pathways don't just disappear overnight. They're actually still lit up, still waiting for a signal. That's why you keep reaching for your phone. That's why everything reminds you of them. That's why your emotions feel a lot bigger than your logical mind can actually explain. Okay, now here's the thing. Your nervous system is in the process of recalibrating. And that recalibration is where your healing actually lives. When we rely on someone else to regulate our sense of safety, we hand them the key to basically our stability. When they leave, it feels like everything collapses. But this is actually your moment to reclaim those keys, to rebuild the safety within yourself instead of searching for it in someone else. And this isn't about pretending, like pretending that you don't care, pretending that it didn't happen. It's about coming home to yourself, regulating your system, creating new anchors, reclaiming your body as the place where safety actually lives. So start with the basics. Breathe deeply into your chest. Remind your system that you're safe. Do some box breathing. Ground through your feet. Feel the floor beneath you. We want to be in the present moment. Move your body. Give yourself that somatic release. Shake, walk, dance, cry. Movement discharges stored survival energy. And reclaim your mornings. Your nervous system needs new rituals that belong to you, not to what used to be. Okay, healing after a breakup, I want to make this very clear. It is not linear. Some days your system will feel clear, and some days it will ache like the wound just basically opened up again. That does not mean that you are going backwards. It means your nervous system is still rewiring. Healing happens in waves. Doesn't happen in a straight line. And when you choose to show up for yourself in this space, when you breathe through the chaos instead of trying to escape it, when you learn to feel safe in your own body again, you stop chasing what left and you start remembering who you are. A breakup is not the end of the story. It's the moment where you learn how powerful you actually are when everything else falls away. And this is exactly what I help my clients with. So if you're interested in working with me one-on-one, I have a couple of programs. You can message me or check the link below.